Stormy is freaked out by
Okay,
the
those joints look
snow.
great, if I do say so myself. Now I just need to get back to